Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to make a bow, a tiny little bow which can be used as a keychain or for a rubber band. So to make a bow we need yarn and I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook for this project, and I need a stitch marker and a darning needle. So let us get into the project. First, take the yarn and we have to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold this yarn like this and with this hand, take a loop. Hold the loop with your thumb and ring finger. Now, insert the hook into the loop. We need to insert into the loop and yarn over the working yarn on the hook. Now, pull the yarn through the loop. This is how we make a slip knot. Pull the shorter end tight. Make sure the needle is moving in the loop. Don't make it too tight or too loose. Now we need to make 32 chains for row 1. 30 chains are for the count and 2 more chains are to give height for double crochet. Now we need to make 32 chains. To make a chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is your first chain. We can see a V shape here. This is called the first chain. And to make a chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is our second chain. Now yarn over again and pull through the loop. This is our third chain. Similarly, we need to make 32 chains and I'll meet you there. So now I have made 30 chains. We need 2 more chains. 31 and yarn over, pull through the loop, 32 chains. Now this is row 1. For the next row, we need to make 30 double crochets. To make a double crochet, we need to insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2 and 3. We need to insert the hook in this chain. First, to make a double crochet, yarn over, insert into the third chain from the hook, yarn over again and pull through the chain. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now we need to yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops. Yarn over again and pull through 2 of the loops. This is our first double crochet. I'll mark this double crochet with a stitch marker. So I'll show you how to do a double crochet again. For this, we need to insert the hook into the next chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through the chain. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is our second double crochet. Now again, yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through the chain. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is our third double crochet. Similarly, we need to complete the entire chain. We will get 30 double crochets. And I'll meet you there. Now I have 2 more double crochets to finish this line. Let us make 2 more double crochets. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again last one. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have finished the row 2 of bow. Now for the next 2 rows, we have to work into the back loops only. First of all, chain 2 to give height to the project. Now rotate your work. Now we need to work into the back loop only. To find the back loop, see, here is our chain from the previous row. Now here in this V shape, this is the front loop from our side and this is the back loop. This is the back loop and this is the front loop. We need to work this row into the back loop only. We need to make double crochets only in the back loop. Now let us make the double crochets. Yarn over, insert into the back loop of first chain and yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. For next double crochet, again we need to work into the back loop only. So yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next double crochet, yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We need to continue the same pattern for 30 more times. I'll meet you in the end of the row. Now I have one more stitch left for the double crochet. I'll be removing the stitch marker which I have placed here and yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have finished 2 rows. For the next row, again we will be taking chain 2 and rotate your work. For this row also, we have to work into the back loop only and repeat the same steps. Yarn over, find the back loop here, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. For the next double crochet, yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. For next one, yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat the same to complete this row. I'll meet you there. So now we have last chain left for this line. Let us make it. Yarn over, insert into the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. With this we have finished the upper part of the bow. So we have to leave a long tail here and I will cut the yarn and pull this yarn into it. So now we have made the upper part of the bow. Now let us make the lower part or the tail of the bow. This pattern is also very much similar to upper part of the bow, but just the thing is, for upper part we have made 32 chains for the first line. Now we need to make only 17 chains. So let us start with it. First make a slip knot, hold the yarn, make a loop, insert the hook into the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is a slip knot. Now we have to make 17 chains. So 1, 2, so 15 chains, 16 and 17. Now for a double crochet we have to insert hook into the third chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert into the third chain, yarn over and pull through the chain, we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We got our first double crochet. In the same way, yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have 2 double crochets. In the same way, we need to complete 15 double crochets in the chain, and I'll meet you there. So now I have one more double crochet left in the chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have the first row ready for the tail. For the second row, chain 2 and rotate your work. So we have to work into the back loops only. So yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert into the next back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2 double crochets for the next line. Same way, work till the end of the line. Now we have one more double crochet left in the row 2. So yarn over, insert into the back loop only, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now for the third row, chain 2 and flip your work. Again we need to work into the back loops only. So yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop of first double crochet, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. In the similar way, finish the row 3. Now we have one more double crochet left for this row. So yarn over, insert into the back loop only, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now the third row is also complete. To fasten the end, we have to chain 1 and cut the yarn. Cut the yarn and pull the yarn through the chain and tighten it. Now we have the tail part and upper part of the bow ready. So let us see how to assemble these 2 parts. To assemble the parts, we need a darning needle, and first let us take the upper part of the bow, and for this we have to just stitch both the ends like this. Hold both the ends here and with the needle put the yarn into the needle and make a stitch here on this line, connecting both the edges. So I'll stitch it like this. We need to connect both the edges. So that's it. Here we have the starting of the bow, and I'll just make a knot. To secure it. Now see, we have attached it like this. So now we take the tail part of the bow and we have to sew these ends into the work. First, let us take it into the needle, and in the work you can just weave them into the stitches, any of the stitches. Just weave them into any of the stitches, and now you can cut this end. Same thing with this part. Insert into the needle and weave it into the stitches. Like this. And we can cut off the extra part. Now take the upper part of the bow, and this we need to fold it into the center, hold it like this, and same with the tail, hold it like this, and take this extra yarn and wrap it around in the center. Adjust the parts and wrap it around. Now if you just pull it tight, you'll get the bow ready, and wrap it few more times. You can wrap along the length of the extra yarn. And one more round. Let us turn the work back side and tie a knot here. Again, these extra pieces we will be weaving it into the work so that it will be good, looking good. So first insert, and I am putting the yarn into the needle and pull it through once or twice. Insert the needle and pull the yarn through. Now we can cut off this thread. Let us do the same thing with this part also. So we have our bow ready. So I have attached our bow to a keychain, see, like this. We can also attach this to a rubber band and make it as a hair tie. You can just take another yarn here and tie it, or we can also stick that with the help of a glue gun. So this is the finished bow.